Hi, hello everyone. I am Prashant Nandam. Welcome back to our channel. As a series of Linux most used commands, today we are going to learn process and package management. Same again, I have prepared a notes for the session 5, which is process and package management in our Linux repo. And today we will be covering process and package management. In this session, we will learn monitor and control processes and RPM, DNF, all those things, service management, and all those things we will be covering today. And I have prepared the notes for the same in our Git repo. Let's begin. I'm logged into my mission. First, we will see what is process management. Basically, process management involves monitoring and controlling and automating the applications that are running on this system. So to view what all the processes which are running in this mission, we can use PSOX. PSOX will show you all the uh, running process, which means it displays information about running process in your OS. And if you see here, yeah, it will show us the PID, PID values and user details and CPU, memory, time, and all those information can be seen here. And user is who wants the process here, and the PID is the process ID, and command is command that launched the process. Okay, and most of the cases we will be use this psaux command to check what processes are running on the system, and most especially this will help us to monitor and in debugging process. We can see which process is running and all those things. So this is about psaux. If you run, it will show you the running process. This is psaux. Let me clear the screen. That is psaux, and we have command to see real-time process monitoring. PSOX will list all the processes, whereas top it will show you real-time process. It will display all the real-time updating, and it will update the list as per the running processes, and it will also update the CPU, memory, and the uptime, all those things. If you just run top, see, we run top command here. See, everything changes. Mm, yeah. This is the starting top, and you can see how many users are there and what are the total tasks, and the running task will be showing in real time, and how many processors in sleep state, how many are stopped, and how much memory is available, how much is used, everything can be seen here. And here, if you want to sort the processes which are running by CPU, you just needs to press caps P, capital letter P. If you see here, it will sort as per the CPU usage. Everything changes here. This value and also here, the CPU percentage utilization will change. See, it will showing you 8.3, 4.1.8, 8.6, 5.9, all those things. And this is how we sort with memory and how we sort with CPU. And to sort the running process based on the memory usage, you just need to press capital M. See, 23.1 is the percentage of the memory, and also you can see here it will changes. This is how we'll see top command. And top, as discussed, top is used to monitor system performance in live. Okay. And the next thing, yeah, and if you want to quit, you can use just Q. It will uh, cancel the running command, which is top, and give you the terminal again. And next we have htop. Okay. Let me explain first what htop is. Htop is more user friendly. It will show you in colorful way and interactive interface. It is advanced of top. It is similar to top, but it will give you more information which is human friendly. If you see here, I ran htop. It is showing command not found and similar command htop, which means htop is not installed in my mission. So I'll go and install that now. Further sudo DNF, and what we have to install, and the command is htop -y. It will directly install. I am providing my password. See, after providing the password, the htop will be installed. It is taking some time. Bear with me. Installing. Okay, good. It's done. Now, if I run same command htop, see, this is advanced of top. It will show you more human friendly and more interactive way and in colorful as well. Same things, live data it will show. See, if you see, same, you can sort by memory usage and CPU usage by running PM. And if you see, it will give you more detailed information here, how many tasks are running, how many hours it's been, and again, what is the uptime of this mission. Same again, PID values, users, and CPU, memory, time, all those things can be seen here. And same again, you can use Q to quit. Okay, just to recap what all we have run, we have seen PSOX. What PSOX will do, it will give you all the running process information. And then we have seen top. Top will give you the live running processes, information of the live running process. And then we have seen htop. Htop is what, it is advanced level of top, and it will give you interactive terminal, I mean interactive way. It will be human friendly, and it will be colorful, and detailed information can be seen in htop. Okay, now we'll see how to get the running process by name. Now if I run here psaux, see, we will be having, just to explain you in detail, I have installed nginx on this mission. We'll be doing everything with nginx because we need some application or something to work on it, correct? So I have installed nginx here. Now you see here nginx and PID values, all those things. Now what we have done, psaux. What it is giving, it is giving all the running process list. Now what we want to see only the processes which are running on nginx. To see that, we have to do PID of nginx. See, these are the three PIDs of nginx. This is how it is. And same way, if you want to see with user, let's see, I believe nginx will be our user. Yeah, F1 PSO, it's not PID of, it will be PS username. See, if you see here, what we have received, 11040, which is nginx, and then 11039 nginx. Yeah, 38. Okay, we are not getting 38. That's okay. And this is how we'll get details. If you want to search by name, you can just use PID of Nginx. It will give the PID values, and if you want to search with an username and see what all the running services, we have to use ps-u and the username. In our case, Nginx is I'm taking, so it will give you Nginx. And we do have another user which is ROCK by Rocky. See, this all are the process running by Rocky. You can verify that. What we have, 2246. Let's see. Anything you can take. We'll take first one, 2246. See, 2246 running by Rocky, 2250 running by Rocky. This is how it is. Now we can also get the information by using grep. I believe you have remembered the grep command. Earlier we have used to get the information from one file. Now pgrep nginx I am using. See, same way. It will list you the PIDs. It is it's instead of you can use both the commands, PID of nginx and pgrep nginx. It will list you the uh, running process PID values. PID of nginx. You will get both same values 11040 and 3839, and this is how it is. And these are the used for monitoring purposes. Let's recap again what all we have done. We have verified running process by running psocks. It will list you all the running services. Later what we have done, we use top command. It will give you the live status of the running process, and you can sort them by using PM for CPU and memory, and you can use Q to quit the command. And we have seen what is htop. Cool. It is advanced level of top, more user friendly. And then what we have done, we have verified how to get the particular value of any service, nginx, and you can use any. If I use root, I'll get okay. I then what we can do, pgrip we have verified for the same. We have student also, correct user. Let's see which user it is. Pgrip. Where they are. Let's go to cd home and see. I have only user. This file or what test one? I didn't remember actually. ls hyphen. Okay. We can verify the same for the user too. PID of test one. Okay, for some reason it is not showing. Maybe okay, we'll look into later. But you can see running values, and we can get the PID values, and you can use PID off and grip off, and you can also verify how to get details per running username. We'll try with any other user. We will use this user for now. ps-u and then the user. See. Did we copy it? Don't think so. Let's copy again. PS hyphen new space. See, this is how it is. User chrony is having PID and those things. Cool. I believe now we have understood what is PA socks, what is top, and what is the difference between top and htop, and how to install htop, and how to get the PID values of any process running process, and how to get the running process details of specific user. Hope you're clear, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment. I mean, after uploading this video in the channel, you can comment on there. I will try to explain you one more time. Now we will see how to kill or control the process. Now we have seen running process details. In some scenarios, you may need to stop a service, or you may need to kill a service, and you need to run with the priority values, all those things. So we will first see how to kill a service, and to do that, first let's see pipe grip nginx. These are our running services for nginx. Okay. Now what I'm going to do before stopping the service, I will show you running status of nginx. Status nginx. It's in running state. Now to stop that, we have to use kill and PID. I mean, I just showed you this running status just to see whether it is running or not. Now we'll be stopping this nginx 11039. Cool. Now it's stopped. If you want to verify that, you can see which one we stopped. 11039. It should not show here. See, it will not show. Now which one will stop? Will stop 11040. Again, if you do grep socks, it will not show you. This is how we stop the services, and hope you understood this. Now what we'll do, we learned stopping and service. Later we'll see restarting of services. Let's verify if it is still running or not. Yeah, it's running. That's cool. Now if I restart the service, all the things will be running again. To see that, I need to do systemctl sudo. I have to use sudo systemctl, and then it will be restart nginx. Cool. Now if you grep, it will show you details. It has to. It may still restarting in background. Okay, that's okay. This is how we'll stop the services. Any services you can just stop them by running kill and the PID value. It will stop the services. Then what we have, we see in PSOX, PSON, then we'll see service management. We'll have a look into service management. Well, now what we'll see, we will see service management, like how to stop a service, how to view the service is started or not, all those things. To do that, I'll go to root instead of giving commands again and again. Yeah, cool. I'm in root. Now, if you want to see a service which is in uh, running state or stopped state, if you want to check any service state, you have to use systemctl status and the name of the service. In our case, we have nginx dot service. See, it's in running state. Okay, this is how we can verify any running state. Systemctl status and then the service name. And if you are not in the root user, you have to use sudo. And to stop the service, you just need to do again systemctl stop nginx dot service. It will stop. Now if you verify status, it will be in inactive or dead state. Yeah, inactive and dead state. Now if you want to start the service again, then you have to use systemctl start and nginx service. It will start. Now if you verify the status, it will be active and running. Then again, if you want to disable the services, then simple. In place of status, we have to mention disable. Disable nginx. It will disabled. You see, it's in disabled state. Now if, it will be disabled state on boot. Okay. Now if you want to enable that, you have to use again enable systemctl enable nginx service. Created it will, yeah, it is enabled now. Now it to disable any services on boot, you have to use systemctl disable and the service name, and to enable on boot you have to use enable systemctl and the service name. And if you want to restart the service, now what I'll do, I'll stop the service systemctl stop nginx service. I'll show you its state. It's in dead state. Now if you want to restart any service, then we have to use systemctl restart and the service name. It will restart back. See, it's restarted. This is how it will. And if you want to see logs of any uh, service, for that we have to journal ctl and hyphen u, then our service name. I'm entering wrong. ng hyphen n, then nginx dot jo, its journal ctl hyphen u nginx service. See, these are the logs of that service. From here it will show you what all the logs, what have we done, what these things. See, started nginx, started http, stopped http, succeeded, and is okay. Then the things which we just performed will also show here. This one, all the things can be seen here, starting, stopping, and everything. And if you want to see, if in case if we had any error, and if we want to see last errors, we then used to journal city exe. It will give errors, last errors, defined by system id. Some errors I have, that's okay. So now what all we have learned? We have learned how to how to check status of any services, how to start a service, how to stop a service, how to enable service on boot, how to disable services on boot, how to restart any service, how to get logs, I mean how to view logs of any service, and we have verified how to see the uh, what we call last errors. This is how it is. Hope you understood. Now we will see package management. Basically, if you see here, we have package management, and it will be DNF and RPM for Rocky Linux. And a package is like it is compressed archiver of any software binaries or configuration files and any dependencies or version and metadata information, etc. That is package. And if you see RPM is like a Red Hat package manager it is. It will works with RPM files. And if you want to see uh, installed RPM files, if you want to see what are all the installed RPM files, for that you have to use command which is rpm hyphen q and a. It will list all the installed RPM files. See, we have these many RPM files. It's still going. These are all the RPM files. This is how we can see installed RPM files. And if you want to get any package info, I mean any RPM package info, you just need to use RPM hyphen QI and the service name. For suppose I'll take this Python 3 and sample line. Python 3, then what we have hyphen. We have so many starting. Yeah, simple line. Python 3 simple line. This is the version 1.1.3 and EL8. All the information can be seen here related to that, along with the description. Is a Python library for creating text UI. It is designed to be used with line-based missions and tools. This is how we can see in information. And let's see if we have any with any package with Nginx, because I just downloaded from here with internet. Will verify for Nginx. Yeah, we do have. Cool. We have package which contains Nginx. See, this is the RPM information for the Nginx. If you do RPM-QA, it will give you all the installed RPM details. And if you want to see any particular package info, we need to use RPM-QA and the package name. And if you want to see list of files from the package, then you have to use RPM-QL and then the package name. It will show you files uh, which are came from this Nginx RPM. This is the path and this is the files from the Nginx package. Okay, now if you want to erase or remove any package, you just simply need to use RPM and then hyphen erase and then the package name. I don't want to remove any existing packages, so that is the reason why I have installed Nginx on this mission. And in future we will learn Nginx as well. Now if I press enter, failed dependency, it's Nginx is needed by installed RPM. Okay, it's telling it is needed by installed RPM. Okay, now what we can do, let's stop the service and then see if it works. It's a running state, no? That might be is now if you run. Okay, let's debug what it shows. RPM, we are not able to release, correct? RPM-E nginx, it is failing to delete and it is showing some package. Okay, I understood now. Basically what happened, we have uh, while installing nginx, we do not have dependencies, correct? So we have installed the different dependencies by using DNF. So if we want to remove them, we have to remove the DNF files. You can just if we want, we can do sudo DNF remove and then the nginx. See, if I press enter, all the dependents will be removed. Let's keep it for a while. So this is how it is. Now what we have learned, we have seen all the installed packages. I mean, we have seen how to verify the installed packages, uh, installed RPM packages. For that, we have to use RPM-QA, and we also seen how to list package info. For suppose if you want if you want the any installed RPM package info, you just need to use RPM-QA and then the package name. It will show you complete information along with name, versions, release, and it will also show you the path. All those things it will give you. And then what we have verified, if we want to see the list of files which contains, I mean list of files and this nginx, for that what we have to use, rpm hyphen ql and then the service package name. These are the list of files from the nginx package, and we have seen how to remove a file package. For that rpm hyphen e and then the package name. In our case, we have some dependencies issue. Why? Because while installation I have used DNF, and those dependencies can be removed by using DNF remove. For time being, I'm keeping the nginx in my machine, so I'm not going to delete any. I don't want to reinstall again. And then this is about the RPM things. And one thing I want to show you related to this RPM, that is what we'll see how to install a RPM from internet. Okay, to do that we need a repo from the internet. What I'll do, I'll install Chrome because I want to show you how to install a RPM package which is in your machine. So let's go here. uh, RPM package for Google Chrome. Okay, I don't want to waste time. Let's use ChatGPT. Give me the RPM package for Google Chrome to install in Rocky Linux. It will give us the direct package details. Yeah, see, that's simple. Download RPM package. We now we are getting the RPM package into our mission. Wget is used to get the package to your mission. It's taking time. Just wait. 2 minutes left. Okay. So now I believe you understood how to list RPMs, and then service management, how to start, stop, and how to verify the running process, how to stop a running process, how to force stop a process, all those things. And now once this RPM, I mean Google Chrome RPM is installed, we'll also see how to install a local RPM, I mean which is present in our mission. Just we'll wait for minutes. I don't take much time, so I don't want to pause. Mm, Please share our channel information to your friends or colleagues or someone who is looking into learn DevOps, so that it will be helpful for them. And 7 seconds left. Okay, cool. Now we have our package installed. Let's verify ls. Yeah, Google Chrome is installed. Now we have an RPM file in our local. Now if we want to install that RPM, we have to use RPM hyphen I VH and the RPM file name. Yeah, see, we have RPM file, but we are getting error due to dependency. These two dependencies are missing. Okay, for that I believe this already given. See, use DNF, the default package manager. This will install Chrome along with any required dependencies. Okay, now what happened when we use RPM? Two depends are missing in this RPM, so it is telling us to use DNF and then what it's telling file name. So we are already in root, so we are not using sudo in front. Install and then the file name. Taking time, huh? Google, why it is taking time? Just bear with me. It's stuck. See, this means in the same directory, same path. Now, if I press enter, it will install along with the Google dependencies. It will ask me, yes, it's 418 MB. Just will wait for a while. Now what we have done, we have used wget to get the RPM into our machine. We have downloaded the RPM file, and when we tried to install that locally with using RPM-IVH, we are getting some dependency error, and to resolve that we have used DNF install and the RPM file name, so that based on the packages uh, which you already has which you already have in your local machine, it will search for the any missing dependency and it will download from there to your machine. That's how it is. Let's wait till it finish. Okay, it's getting downloaded. Installed. Now what we have learned earlier, we can verify the uh, any RPM package info, correct? For that, what we have to do, RPM hyphen QI and then the package name. This, let's see, QA, is it installed or not? RPM hyphen QI and GOOGLG Google. It's asking us something. I didn't remember full name. Let's see what it is. What it is. Chrome might Google Chrome, correct? Google iPhone Chrome. Yeah. See, Google Chrome, and this is the version and application details. Everything can be seen. URL, it is from google.com. This is how we can install. And what we have left. any package info. If you want to see, you can see the package info as well by running same command which we discussed earlier, which is uh, RPM hyphen uh, list of containing package info, which is RPM hyphen q list, and then the go Google iPhone Chrome. It will show you these are all installed files on that package. This is how we can see. And apart from this, you can also verify if it is running or not just by using pgrip. Let me show you pgrip, and it's Google, correct? Why I'm not getting PSOX? Do we have any other name or what? PSOX pipe grep. See, this is how it is. We can see PID values and all those things. And if you want to verify version of any install thing, you can just use nginx-v and nginx-version -, it might be okay. Nginx for some things it will show we need to use nginx-version. Yeah, nginx-v it will give you. And if you want to verify for Google Chrome, if you want to verify from for Google Chrome, same you can use what it is, Google Chrome -v, it will give you the Google Chrome version as well. Error browser running as root without mouse and is not supported. We are getting some error. Okay, that's okay. Can get this by running this hyphen VRS file. Yeah, this is what I was speaking earlier. Google Chrome -version, it will show you version Google Chrome 139. And if you want to verify what it is, we can get the repo details. I mean RPM-QI, that one, it will show you same 139.07, it where it is 139.07 758.66. This is how we can verify the version details. So now we have learned how to install an RPM which is in our local machine. And if we miss any dependencies, we have learned how to install it along with dependencies by using DNF install. Later we have verified how to see installed RPMs, and then package information, and then list of files which contains which are in that package. We have verified that as well. And then we have seen how to erase an RPM file as well. Now I will show you how to see the available repositories. For that, DNF repo list we have to use. Let's clear this screen, it will be easy for you. DNF repo list. See, these are the repos we have. Google Chrome. If you see, this is the repo which we installed. And now you may ask me what is DNF and all those things. What is DNF in general? DNF is like it is dandified means it is default on the Rocky Linux machine, and it is used for high level package manager and uses RPM in the background and automatically resolves the dependencies with the use of DNF. And now we will see most used commands with the DNF. First I will show you how to we have seen how to install engineering. Let's see again if I get install or not. I deleted or nginx. Did I delete? Let's see. It's fetching. I use tab. Last meta expression check. Okay, we already have it, so it is showing. If you want to install any package, you can just use DNF install, and if you want to remove any package, you can just use DNF remove and then the nginx. It will directly remove. See, these are the files. If I free up space to MB, is this okay? If I press enter, all the DNF repos will be deleted. And then to get any info of the info, can use DNF info nginx. It will give us the information. Same, see, version details, all those things. You can also use Google Chrome as well, since we have installed in our machine. Google iPhone Chrome. It's taking long to get. It might be stable after that. Now we will get. See, version details, all those things we will be getting info, and we can see list of installed as well. We have verified it earlier, I believe. Did we? DNF list, did we verified? Okay, let's run again. DNF list installed. DNF list installed will list us the all the installed packages. These are all the installed packages. Okay. Now, and this shows where it is and where it is installed. I'll take you to the beginning. DNF installed, and it will show you installed packages. And this is how we can see install packages. And then what left, we can see history as well. DNF history, it will show us the history of the see, we installed Google Chrome, then Htop, then Nginx, then APL. Okay, this while installing Nginx I have performed this APL, then Nginx, then Htop, then Google Chrome. See, it shows history as well. Now if you want to clear cache, you can use DNF clean all. DNF clean all, it will clear the cache as well. Now if you want to reinstall any package or something, like, you can use DNF reinstall nginx. If I click, it will reinstall nginx. So what all we have learned today? We have seen how to install a package, how to remove a package, how to get information of a package by using DNF, and how to get installed list by using DNF, and then history of the DNF, and then cleaning the cage, then reinstalling the application. We have seen these things, and we left with two things. One is DNF update, and then is DNF upgrade. So let me cancel this. Yeah, it's got terminated. Now I want to show you what is DNF update and what is DNF upgrade. DNF update I am doing now. If I do DNF update, what it will do, it will update the list from the repositories. Basically, it will download the latest information about the package, like versions, availability, and all those things. It will download the latest information of the repositories by using DNF update. Let's wait here till it finish. Again, DNF update will only check the metadata from the repositories. I mean, it will update the package list from the repositories, and it will download the latest information about the packages, which will be such as versions, availability, and etc. It will download the latest availability of the package information. It will take some time, bear with me. It's taking some time. 1.4 GB. Okay. See, these are all the latest available. Package, these are the package information, and this is the architecture, which is 8664, all those things. And this is the version, and this is the repository where it is, and this will be the size. Now, if I give S and enter, it will start updating the repository details to the latest version. What is the latest version? 2.2. Where it will show? Let's see. It will keep scrolling here. Let's wait. So this is how uh, update do. It's telling estimated time is 9 minutes. Let's see how long it was. If it is going too long, then we'll cancel, and I'll explain you what upgrade do. It has total 408 to update. but still updating. Okay, it's taking time, and this is my test machine, so I can cancel and I'll update later. So it will keep on going updating, and once the packages are updated, then we have to use upgrade command. In place of update, we have to use upgrade. What upgrade will do, it will verify the installed packages list, and it will upgrade the packages to the latest available versions in the repository based on the info fetched by the update command. We ran update command correct earlier, and with that update command, what happens? The repositories will be fetched with the latest available version, and it will stop there. It will it after update after getting the metadata information like availability or available versions, all those, it will update the repo, but it will not install the packages. I mean, for suppose we have Google Chrome 10 version and latest version is Google Chrome 11, and it will it will update the package to Google Chrome 11, but it will not install that package. So to install that package, what we have to do? We have to do DNF upgrade. What DNF upgrade will do? It will upgrade the installed packages to the latest available versions in the repository. And how it goes? Based on the info which is fetched by the update command. Now I'll click DNF upgrade. See what happens. It will change the version details and everything. See, these all are updated, and if I press yes, it will start updating. See, all those are skipped. Why we haven't performed completely correct? That is why. This is how it will. I'm okay. This is my test machine. I can cancel. But in your case, you have to wait. So this is how it is, and upgrade command, and what all we have done today. Just to recap, uh, we have we have verified process management, like how can we verify process management, what are the monitoring, how to monitor, how to control, and how to kill a process, how to get a process details and the package which are installed on the process, and later we have verified how to kill or control process. Then what we have seen, service management, which is system MD. With this, what we have learned, how to check a status of any service, and how to stop a service, how to start a service, how to restart a service, and how to disable a service on boot, how to enable a service on boot. And we also seen how to view logs of that particular server, and later we have seen uh, how to verify the last errors. Then we came to package management. Then we have seen what are the commands which we use for RPM. In RPM, what we verified, how to install a local available RPM into your machine. Then how to view all the available installed RPMs. Then how to get a RPM package info. Then what we have verified, files from the package. How to verify files which are in that package. Then we have seen how to erase a package as well, and later we have seen a list of repositories by using DNF command. Then we have seen DNF commands, I mean where we will be using DNF, like while installing any package. And then we have seen how to install a package by using DNF, how to remove a package by using DNF, how to list the installed packages, and how to see DNF history, and how to clear a cache, and how to reinstall a service or package. And later we have seen what is DNF update and what is DNF upgrade. And DNF difference between DNF update and DNF upgrade is most important thing. Many interviews, the recruiter will ask you what is the difference between DNF update and DNF upgrade. In that scenario, you have to mention like DNF update, it updates the package list. I mean, it updates the metadata from the repository, and it will download the latest information which is available for that package. And it will and you can also mention like it will download the latest information of the package, but it does not install or upgrade any software. It just fetches the latest info. And after that, what you can say is then DNF upgrade will verify the metadata information, and it will check the availability versions, and it will install the package based on the versions available in this repository. That's how we can say. Cool, that's what I have for today. Hope you like the session, and uh, it provides you some information on the DNF, all those things. Uh, Tomorrow we'll be going through our last thing. By tomorrow we'll be finishing off our Linux most used commands. We covered introduction to Linux and history, Linux file system, files and directory, user permissions, and today we're done with the process and package management. Tomorrow we'll see what is networking, logs and system info. By that we'll be concluding this Linux most used commands course. And after this course completion, we'll be starting Git. We'll be going through what is Git, what is GitHub, how can we manage repository, all those things. I'll prepare same repository GitHub repo for the same, and I'll keep you posted tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Kindly, if you feel the session is providing more informations and it is helpful to you, and it will help you to improve your knowledge on Linux and all those things, I request you to share the channel information to your friends or colleagues or someone who is looking to learn DevOps course, so that it will help me. I mean, it will give me more, so that it will give me more concentration, and it will boost me. It I to do more things, to cover more topics and all those things. And coming week we'll be starting Git. Don't miss that. We'll be covering most of the topics which we use in day-to-day life. And by the end of tomorrow, we'll be finishing Linux most used commands. Please do let me know if you have any questions or queries, something related to our topics in comments or comment section. I'll be happy to respond you back. Cool. That's it from my end. Have a great day and happy weekend. Bye bye. Thanks everyone.